Welcome to this video in which we are going to see that what can you do if your touchpad on the laptop is not working properly. So this is a very common problem that might happen in case your touchpad is not working. So we are going to see the solutions for it. So the first step is that you need to make sure that your touchpad is not locked. In most of the laptops you will find a key that is used to lock the touchpad. So use that key to unlock your touchpad. Just repeat this process 2 to 3 times and see if it is working. Most of the cases that is the issue, and by unlocking the touchpad it would start work. But even if your touchpad issues are not solved after following this step, then what you need to do is you need to go to your start icon, right click. This would bring up this kind of a menu. From this menu, go to device manager. So let's just click on device manager. This will bring up this kind of a dialog box. So let us just go to mice and other pointing devices. Just expand it. So here you will find your Dell touchpad, or basically whichever company's laptop you are using. So that touchpad, right click and click on update driver. Then in this dialog box, select search automatically for drivers. And if you get the best drivers for your device are already installed, then it's all well and good, and click on close. After performing this step, again check your touchpad if it is starting to work or not. If it is working, then it's very good. If it is not, then go to HID compliant mouse. This may or may not be the case for you. In my case, it is happening because I have an external mouse plugged in with my laptop, so this second pointing device or second mouse is there for me. So for this also, update the driver, search automatically for drivers, and if it says best drivers are already installed, then it's well and good. Close it and again try to work with your touchpad. If still the issue persists, then go to human interface devices, and here you will find some of the devices. Make sure that your touchpad is not showing over here. If it is showing, then what you need to do is you need to remove that. How do you remove? Just right click and click on uninstall device. So uninstall it from the human interface devices and then reinstall the touchpad. So how do we reinstall it? Just go to file, just go to action and go to update drivers. Search automatically for drivers, so all the drivers would be searched and installed automatically. Then close the this window and restart your system. That should fix the issue and your driver should have been working. Your touchpad should have been working. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.